Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are well today. So today I'm excited because I'm coming to you guys with some hair from Beyond Beauty store on Amazon. I was blessed the other day by them with some hair, some straight goddess faux locs crochet hair. They have several different colors. They have it in a 1B, 1B 27, 1B 30, and 1B burgundy. I picked mine up in a 1B. I really wanted the burgundy, but because of work, I had to keep it neutral. This hair comes in a 6-pack and it is $39.50. But if you have Honey, which is a coupon site that you basically download and it gives you coupons, you can get 5% off. And also, if you have Amazon Prime, you can get free shipping and it'll be like 2 days or 1 to 2 days shipping. So yeah, let's get into the hair. This is the package that comes in it. Of course, it comes in an Amazon box, but then inside the box is this hair, this beautiful packaging. It's like a Ziploc packaging. This is all the hair, all 6-pack. And inside the package, they also gave me some hair jewelry and some clips for the hair. The length of this hair is 14 inches, but it took about 5-pack, let's say roughly 5-pack, because I have a big head. I wanted to try to do the single crochet version, but time's not on my side, so I just went ahead and did the cornrow crochet, which is quicker. It took me roughly about 2.5 hours to do everything. This is such a beautiful hair. Yeah, and I really like it. It's light on the head. It's not so heavy. And I love the curly ends. I have not tried crochet like this before. So I was really excited when I got it. And I fell in love with the hair already. If you're interested in this beauty, check them out. It's called Beyond Beauty on Amazon. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do want to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.